Hello, my dear beautiful friend. Can you hear the sound of the birds? So, this is a pure Swiss countryside. Here you can see also nice kind of a tree with the red leaves. Like. So actually, I'm waiting for the bus to go down. So actually, when I came here, I got I got a lift. It's interestingly here in Switzerland you can get a lift by a car. In India, actually, it's not okay. By the way, I'm Sudesh. I am from India, basically. I live in beautiful Switzerland, Basel, but this is not Basel. Here you can see nice caravan. Actually, yeah, in Switzerland you can get a lift in the car. In India, I don't think people will take you in the car you know, strangers will not take you. But on the lorries, like a van, you know, I mean, like these things people can take you, but not on the car. Yeah, so look, a car is coming far from there. But obviously because I have to go to that direction, so that car is coming from the direction where I have to go, so obviously we cannot go on that car. So I am not going to ask any lift or something. It's a nice green car. Look, it's nice countryside. Look, there is also a house here. Like, so beautiful. Actually, I could walk to that small town where I have to take a bus or the tram. But normally I take a tram, but but the tram, some works are going on the tram line, so that's why I have to change one bus, then tram, then nothing. No, I have to do three. I have to change actually. I have to change three buses actually. Not three vehicles we can call. Look at the sky. The sky looks so beautiful. What's about Switzerland? Like I always say on my videos that you know, the transportation system in Switzerland is so good, but I am in the countryside, so here it's not easy to. Oh, there's one car, but the one guy is inside the car. Is he going somewhere? So yeah, so this is a countryside. That's why only one bus, like India, like an hour. Like when I was a child, I had only two buses in my village, and we had to wait 1 hour to get another bus, or even more. So this is kind of like that. Look, this is the place I have to go. Look, Basel. This is we have to go. We means I. So my friends, so if I take a video, I will also have a little bit pastime until my bus comes. Okay, my friends. So yeah, there you also can see something like if it's India, you would think those are temples, but it's not India, so obviously it is not. Look, the sky looks so nice, so beautiful. Okay, let's walk, my friends. My friends, I'm not calling you my friends, rather I call you friend, because obviously you are watching this alone, so why I should call you friends, right? So here is a special bush. Yeah, a few cars. Actually, this time is, time is, um, it's like a more than eight. It's going to be 8:15, I think. Yeah, it's 8:15 already. So now I think my bus will be coming in 20 minutes. So I really don't need to take the other vehicle. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I can adjust it. Look, this caravan looks so old. Like one car is coming. Okay, this caravan looks very old. Like, hello, are you going to Basel? Sprechen Sie English? No Dutch.
English also, yeah.
Ah, English. Okay. Are you going to Basel?
I'm going to Basel,
Really?
yeah, but in
You,
15 minutes,
15.
yeah,
1-5.
1 5,
Are you alone? Can I come with you?
yeah.
Really? That is so interesting. Because I am waiting for the bus to go to Flu, then to go to Basel.
Okay,
Yeah, so I was taking a actually video for a time pass, like until the bus come, because bus will be coming also after like 20 minutes.
yeah,
But if you take me to Basel,
yeah,
I'm very happy.
why not? Yeah.
I was thinking that I also was saying on this video that a guy is sitting there, and maybe he will be going somewhere, maybe Basel or something. Now you say you are going to Basel.
I'm trying to install a new radio.
Ah, I see. Ah, okay,
That's
okay,
what I'm
okay,
doing
okay. It's a nice car.
Thank you. Bought it last week,
Oh, really?
but it's old. It's
Ah.
15 years old.
But king is king,
Yeah.
I mean, Benz is Benz.
I even lost the number 2 days ago.
Why? How?
I don't know. The thing is like kind of broken. So,
So,
it
but
fell off.
can you drive without a number plate?
Yeah, I have a number plate in front and like a thing for the
Ah,
police.
okay.
Yeah,
Because in India, I'm from India.
yeah,
It's not possible. I mean,
yeah. Normally it's not possible,
Yeah.
but I
You-
told the
you-
police that
police, yeah, okay.
I
but on the front you have.
on the front I have it,
Ah.
so I have a permission to drive with only one of the
Ah,
numbers
okay.
until they give me the new one.
When you will get it?
I don't know. The permission is available for 30 days, 1 month.
Ah, 1 month. Ah,
So-
okay.
I will see.
So you live in Basel.
Yeah, I live in Basel.
What are you doing here?
I just wanted a quiet space
Oh,
uh,
yeah.
for this stuff.
Okay, so you just came for also. You could ride also.
Yeah,
Nice
I could have
scenery.
done it in front of the apartment. but
Ah, that's good idea.
I wanted to
It's very nice.
enjoy.
I mean, it's not very far from Basel. Also, already you are in a countryside.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's very quiet. So this is how does it work, my dear friend. So he's going to Basel. I'm going to get a lift. So lucky. This is what I was thinking actually. Maybe I'm going to meet someone to get a lift to go to Basel. Which means maybe I will reach more faster than the bus or the train. That's nice. And he was talking about this car that he doesn't have a number plate. I mean, he lost the number plate, so he has got a new have to get new number plate, and but he also has got the permission from the police to ride. Okay, my dear friends, so don't forget to subscribe our channel, give a like, and share with your friends. Okay, and keep smiling, and bye bye.